Master rapid trades on Pocket Option by setting your timer to a brisk 30 seconds. First, log into your Pocket Option account and locate the main trading interface. You'll see various elements like asset charts and trade buttons. The key element we're looking for is the trade duration timer. It usually appears as a small box displaying the current trade expiry time. To adjust this, simply click directly on the displayed current trade duration. This action will open a drop-down menu or a selection wheel. Within this menu, you'll find a list of available trade expiry times. Scroll through the options until you find and select 30 seconds. Once you click on 30 seconds, you'll notice the timer on your trading interface immediately updates to reflect this chosen duration. Now, you're ready to place your trades with a precise 30-second expiry. Simply choose your asset, decide whether to go up or down, and click the appropriate button before the timer runs out. This short-term strategy allows for quick decision-making and potentially rapid profit generation, but remember to manage your risk effectively.